healthy recipes with love. Today we'll be making Marlaine's Sesame crackers that are gluten-free and sugar-free. Today we have special guests on our show. We have Chelsea O'Neill, who is the mom of both Lainey, our director, and Amika, my co-host. We also have a little friend, Emma! For this recipe, you will need the following ingredients: almond flour, coconut oil, 3 eggs, onion powder, garlic powder, sesame seeds, you will also need a rolling pin, parchment paper, something to mix with, measuring cups and measuring spoons, a mixing bowl, and 2 baking pans. Set your oven to 350 degrees. Line your baking pans with parchment paper. In a mixing bowl, add 3 cups of almond flour, 1 cup of sesame seeds, half a tablespoon of onion powder, and half a tablespoon of garlic powder, and mix. Form a well in the middle of your bowl and add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Next, you will separate the whites from the yolks and beat the egg whites until stiff. Next, add egg whites to the dry mix and mix it all together. Once it has mixed, you can place the dough on your baking pans, and with a rolling pin, you can roll the dough out. Place in oven for approximately 10 minutes. Make sure to keep an eye on it as it burns easily. After 10 minutes, it should be done. Take out of the oven and cut into pieces and enjoy.
Let's dig in! Please subscribe and turn on post notifications so you get notified every time we post a new Love Kitchen video.
Thanks for tuning in. Bye! Sugar-free. There we go.